So again, Choro-Q collectors, we have Choro-Q number 90 of the standard line, I guess. It's from 2003. So this is the first generation Nissan Teana. And I think in other countries this might have been known as the Maxima. Okay. Well, let's see what's going on here with these photos. Yeah, it's a different grill. Might be a different country's photos. Yeah, I'm sure Choro-Q didn't put a crosshatch grill in for no reason. But different countries, right? It's not bad. Alright. Okay, so it's a nice metallic blue though. You can see the flake here in it, and you can see the tight panel gaps at the doors and window frames. So that's pretty nice to see. And actually there's not a giant chunk of plastic missing here. I believe this is where the sprue is usually, but maybe they changed it on this one, although I don't see where. Oh, possibly the plastic flows in here, and so that would make more sense. It's less visible on the bottom. Okay, yeah, the headlights are the same clear plastic as the, well, I think the whole body is this clear plastic, and then the blue is painted to mask a lot of it. Naturally, it'd be nice to have some black paint in here, and maybe some silver on those fog lights, but it's this ChoroQ standard, so they have a certain budget I'm sure they had to work within. It's nice to see, though, that they have the red taillights, so that's good. And then we know it's number 90 in the line, and that's a Teana. We also know it's from 2003, and if you're curious, that's what the motor looks like when it's spinning. Alright, well, not much else to it, so I'm going to do a wheel swap, though. These are your standard 5 spokes from Choro-Q, and I have a whole grab bag of Hot Wheels, so I like to just, modify them a little bit to make them look a little bit different. It's part of the fun of this hobby for me. Let's see, I have a little motor here that I took the axle out of. So let's throw this back together. Trying to find the thread so I don't cross thread it. Being plastic, it's so soft. Alright, well, I did find it, so let me get a different angle here as well. So these are some Hot Wheels, I think, but I repainted them a copper color. I think they were just gray before. And then I have tires from a different Choro-Q here. Figured I'd go with the contrast, Yeah, blue and copper wheels. That's a new one for me, but I think it's working out alright. Move that one a little forward. Get a little JDM camber here. Maybe that was too much though. Alright. Yeah, well, it's okay. Alright. Let me get the spin thing here. I don't have a 164 Teana or Maxima or anything like it, so I'm just going to show some Choro-Qs today. I have a different Teana, supposedly from a dealer, a Nissan dealership. I can't really figure out if this is the first or second generation, this one. This clearly looks like a first generation, but this one is so boxy. I mean, the second generation doesn't look like it, and it's definitely not the third generation, so it's highly stylized. It's almost like a different company stylized the thing. Alright, well anyways, this is a Nissan Crew. It's a taxi cab, and I swapped out the wheels with some generic Hot Wheels replacements. And then here's a Nissan President from the Choro-Q Zero with some 3D printed wheels that I purchased. Alright, so those are some 4-door Nissans. Okay, well, never thought I'd be collecting cartoon Teanas, but here we are. I have 2 of them now. So, and it's not going to stop me from collecting more. So stay tuned, and I'll get another Choro-Q review up soon. Bye.